Mining Disrupt 2023 coverage is brought to you by our sponsors. Without them, this wouldn't have been possible, so make sure you check them out, linked in the description. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and we are at the Epic Blockchain.io booth here at Mining Disrupt. We got some control boards here in front of us, and Crypto Mikkel, what are these little boards that we have here in front of us?
So these are the newer, basically the new upgraded boards from Epic Blockchains. Now these are the ones to replace, this one's for What's miners, this one will be for your Ant miners. The only reason why you would probably use one of these is your old control board died. These ones replicate identically of the Xilinx boards, so they have the exact same layout, so it'll fit perfectly. And like they even say right there is no like dev fee built into these boards, so
nice.
They do actually have aftermarket like firmware already on them. And you're not getting charged extra like you would Brains. Brains charges you extra.
Right.
But you do get a good benefit, and they still give you, I think it's like a plus 30, I think it's like 30% increase, if I'm not mistaken, in efficiency. Not so much increasing your hash, but you're making it more efficient, and you're keeping your uptimes consistent. Because the old versions of these boards were very notorious for dropping hash boards or just killing hash boards
Killing
themselves.
hash boards, yeah, that's what I was saying. I heard that too.
So it's good to see other companies coming out with good replacements.
Okay.
And actually good replacements, like quality work.
So those are the control boards, and these are the actual boards themselves that run in some of these miners.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, these are going to be, it's going to be your Avalons maybe?
Avalon, I was thinking. That's your S something. It's a Bitmain board, I'm guessing.
I think it's a, I don't know, can't tell.
No. I'm standing here.
Various different boards.
That one's got jumper slots that you would have on a motherboard.
Yeah, see that? And then here's a blocked one.
Yep.
For cooling.
That's
Hydro.
just the block too. Like they actually sell blocks for these, which is really cool. It's like acrylic because you can see in it. I don't know that all of them are acrylic, but this is that, and this is actually running Intel chips.
Is this?
Yeah, these run the Intel chips.
Nice.
These are the new Epic's Intel series ASICs.
The thing is, so that ASIC team.
You're good.
Also,
There you go, right there.
So yeah, the
Epic
Epic
Blockchain
Blockchain.io booth here at Mining Disrupt. We're going to continue going on. There's Hobbyist Miner.
I dig it.
And thank you again for everybody help making this possible. We're going to keep moving on to various different booths and talk to you in a little bit.